Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Space City Cannabis. Welcome back to another review. But before we get started, go ahead and drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So, for the first time on the channel, guys, we finally got some Lucky Elk. This is a vendor that has been highly recommended for some time now, and I finally got the chance to try them out. Now, I don't have a coupon code with them yet, but that is something that I am going to try to work on. Hopefully, I can bring you guys a coupon code so you guys can try out some of this flower with a little bit of a discount. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at their pack here. It's going to be Premium Cannabis Lucky Elk. Very solid packaging. Heat sealed up here, so you're not going to have any smell seeping through. Premium Cannabis established back in 2011. And on the back side, you got the principles of Lucky Elk. Feel free to pause the video so you can go through all 4 principles. And down below, we have the label with the strain name, the tier it is, and the percentage. Right there, we can see 3.5. Here goes the website as well as the socials. So be sure to follow them on Instagram and be sure to check out their website to see if there's any flower on their menu that you are interested in. Let's go ahead and open up this pack. And let's see what this flower is smelling like. It's got a nice 62% boost pack in there. And it still has moisture in it. It's not all hard and rocky. Let's go ahead and take a look at this flower here. Give me just a second. Oh, wow. And the nose coming off of it is pretty potent, guys. Definitely has a nice nose to it. Let me take out one of the nugs so we can take a look at it. Of course, I'm going to be doing some macro shots, but just wanted to give you guys a real quick overview. Solid looking flower, nice and fresh. Definitely has a nice springiness to it. And now let me bring it up to the nose so I can describe the aroma. Man, look at these nugs here. Some nice purples, some greens. Whew, that's an interesting nose. Whew. It's got like a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of pine, a little bit of funk. Man, that is a very interesting nose, guys. It keeps me going back in for more, just to see if I can get a more accurate description on the nose. But man, that is very unique. Some really nice looking buds as well. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look with those macro shots. All right, guys, let's take a closer look at this Flapjacks from Lucky Elk. Looking very nice. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Oh yeah. Look at that. Super sticky. Look at those trichomes just webbing off like that. That is incredible, y'all. And this bud is definitely sticky, icky. Look at those shots, guys. Sheesh. Just solid bud. Look at that sticking to my finger. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, let's go ahead and twist this up and let's see what it's smoking like. All right, guys, and just like that, we're back with a nice rolled up doink filled up with the Flapjacks from Lucky Elk. Now let's go ahead and take it for a spin, guys. Cheers. Please let me know down below in the comments if you guys have tried out Lucky Elk. Let me know what strains you guys have tried and what your experience was like. Let's go ahead and give a nice toast on this end before we go in for our first pulls. Now, one of the things I really liked about this flower was just the nose on it. It had a really nice pronounced nose, and hopefully that translates over to the smoke. Got a nice cherry going. Let's go in for the first pulls. Oh man, definitely solid flavor. Pretty potent going in. You guys can see a nice little resin ring already starting to form. A little bit of a salt and pepper ash. We go ahead and smoke it down and see if that starts to whiten up a bit. It might have to do with the boost packs that were in it. It did come with 2 humidity packs, so it might have been a little bit of overkill on the moisture. But the flavor is really shining through. The smoke coming off of the joint is very inviting. So the salt and pepper ash is something that we can overcome, but just putting it in a jar and just having it dry out just a little bit. All solid indicators are there. The flavor's there. The nose is there, as well as the smoke. But of course, this being a Space City review, we always got to be 100% transparent, guys. See the ash color there? A little bit dark. It wants to be white. But I think the flower just has a little bit too much moisture in it. Now, apart from that, flavor is awesome. As you can hear, I'm coughing up a storm. It's definitely some potent flower with some great flavor. So let me smoke it down a little bit more, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. All right, guys, we are back. Been smoking on this thing for a little while now. The ash lightened up just a bit. The resin ring is soupy as ever, and it has a really nice earthy, sweet flavor to it. So overall, pretty good, man. Flapjacks quadruple A hemp flower. That's a new one. 34.26% THC, guys. Be sure to check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Flapjacks. I also have the Tokyo Fuzz and the Ooh La La to check out, all from Lucky Elk. So be sure to check me out on social media at Official Space City and at Official Space City Cannabis Merch. And don't forget to subscribe to my other 2 YouTube channels, Spacegasm Podcast and Space City Grows. And with all that being said, I'll be sure to catch you on the next review. Peace.